Welcome to all in SV Union High School and Junior College, presented by Mrs. Vaishali Jadhav.
Hello students, in part 2 of lesson HCM and LCM in practice set 24, we have studied in question 1 5 examples. Now let us continue with example number 6. See, the numbers are given 81 and 99. So what is our answer? Factors. Let us write first factors of 81. Okay, 1 by 1, every number is divisible. Unit plus digit is 1, so not divisible by 2. 8 plus 1, 9. It means number is divisible by 3. Also it is divisible by 9. And 27 3s are 81 and 81 1s are 81. These are the factors of 81. Now let us write down factors of 99. Factors of 99. 1. Using 1, every number is divisible. Unit plus digit is 9, so not divisible by 2. 9 plus 9, 18. Yes, it is divisible by 3. Also divisible by 9. Then 11 9s are 99. 33 3s are 99 and 99 1s are 99. So let us write over here common factors. Common factors of 81 and 99 is equals to, circle the common factors, 1, 3, then 9. Only these 3 are common factors. So let us write of the common factors of 81 and 99. 9 is the greatest or largest. Therefore, HCF of 81 and 99 is equals to 9. Is that clear? Okay. So let's begin to solve example number 7. Student, see, in example number 7, numbers are given 24 and 36. So let us write down factors of 24. 1 is a common factor. Unit place digit is 4. So the number is divisible by 2. 2 plus 4, 6. It means it is divisible by 3 also. Then 4. 4 6s are 24. 6 4s are 24. 12 2s are 24 and 24 1s are 24. Factors of 36. 1. Then on unit place digit is 6, so it is divisible by 2. 3 plus 6 9, so it is divisible by 3. Then by 9, 4 9s are 36, also it is divisible. Then 9 4s are 36. 18 1s are 18, 18 2s are 36 and 36 1s are 36. So common factors of 24 and 36. Let us make the circle 1, then 2, 3. Children, 36 is divisible by 6 also. Let me write that factor at the last, which I left out. No problem. Now 4 is one more common factor. So write here 4 and the next common factor is 6. So that also we can write over here. So which all are the common factors of 24 and 36? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Of the common factors of 24 and 36, 6 is the greatest. Therefore, HCF of 24 and 36 is equals to 6. Is it okay, children? Students, see, in example number 8, numbers are given 25 and 75. Actually, both are multiples of each other. But let us find out factors of 25. 1 as usual common factor on unit place digit is 5, so it is divisible by 5, and 25 ones are 25. Now let us write factors of 75. 1 unit place digit is 5, so it is divisible by 5 but not by 2. But 7 plus 5, yes, 12, it is divisible by 3, divisible by 5. Then it is also divisible by 15, 25 and 75. Alright, so these all are the factors of 75. Let us write down common factors of 25 and 75 is equals to, which all are common factors? 1, then 5, and last one is 25. Okay, so common factors are 1, 5 and 25. Of the common factors of 25 and 75, 25 is the greatest. 25 is the greatest. Therefore, HCF of 25 and 75 is equals to 25. So, I hope so you all must have understood this example. Students, see, in example number 9, numbers are given 48 and 54. So let us write down factors of 48. Okay, 1 on unit place digit is 8, so divisible by 2. 4 plus 8, 12, so divisible by 3, divisible by 4. Also 6 8s are 48, 8 6s are 48, 12 4s are 48, 16 3s are 48, 24 4s are 48 and 48 1s are 48. Okay, now write down factors of 54. 1 unit place digit is 4, so divisible by 2. 5 plus 4, 9, divisible by 3. So 54 is also divisible by 3. Also, it is divisible by 6. 6 9s are 54. 9 6s are 54. Then 18. 18 3s are 54. Later on, we can check for 27. 27 2s are 54 and 54 1s are 54. So let us write down common factors. Common factors of 48 and 54 is equals to, circle the common factors, 1, 2, 3, 6, no other number is common now. Is it clear? So, of the common factors of 48 and 54, 6 is the greatest. Therefore, HCF of 48 and 54 is equals to 6. Alright children? Students, see example number 10. Numbers are given 150 and 225. Numbers are quite a bit big. But we have solved 5th example also like such a big numbers. Don't worry, so we can find out the factors of 150 first. Factors of 150. Okay, now 1 is a common factor for all the numbers. Now unit place digit is 0, means of course this number is divisible by 2, 5 as well as by 10 also. So let us write the next factor 2. See children, now let us add the digits. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 is divisible by 3. So 150 is also divisible by 3. Now next unit place is digit is 0, so already I told it is divisible by 5. It is divisible by 6 also. Then it is divisible by 10 also. 10 into 15 will get answer 150. Next it is divisible by 15. Then it is divisible by 25. 25 6 are 150. Then it is divisible by 30. 30 5 are 150. Then 50. 53 are 150. Next factor 75. 75 2s are 150 and 151s are 150. Now let us find out factors of 225. Okay, so let's see the first fraction 1. Unit place digit is 5, so of course it is going to be divisible by 5, but let us add first all the digits. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 is divisible by 3, so 225 is also divisible by 3. Next divisible by 5. Alright. Next addition is 9, so of course 225 is divisible by 9. Then it is square of 15. 15 15s are 225. It is divisible by 25 also, right? Then by 45. Also it is divisible by 75 as well as number itself 225. Now let us write down common factors. Common factors of 150 and 225 is equals to, circle the common numbers. 1, comma, next is common 3, next common 5 is common, next common number is 15, next common number is 25, and the next common number is 75. I'll write it down. Okay, 75 of the common factors of 150 and 225. 75 is the greatest. Okay, therefore what is the HCF? Yes, it is 75. Therefore HCF is equals to 75. Is it clear to you all, children? Students, in the next part of this lesson, HCF and LCM in practice set 24, we will learn how to solve word problems of HCF.